Alright guys, in this video, I'll detail how to send text message instead of iMessage on your iPhone. So if you want to send text message, instead of you to send iMessage, then this video is going to walk you through what you need to do. Basically, on your iPhone, you can send text message, you can send iMessage. You can send iMessage to other iOS users like iPhone, iPad, or Mac. But for you to send message to Android from iPhone, you need to enable send as text message. So if you want to send text message on your iPhone to other users like Android OS users, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now for you to send text message instead of iMessage, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, just want to scroll down gently and then open the messages app. On our settings, scroll down and click on apps. Under apps, scroll down and locate messages, then go ahead and click on that. Now once you click on messages, you want to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling, locate send as text message, and then make sure you turn this on. If this is turned off in your own case, make sure you turn this on. Then once you turn that on, you can now exit the messages page. Now once you exited the messages page, you can now go ahead and open the message page. Then once you want to send text message to anyone that is not using iMessage, then you're going to see text message SMS here instead of seeing iMessage. So in this case, you can see I now have text message. I can now send text message to this particular person, and this message will not be sent as iMessage again. So that is basically what you need to do when you want to send text message instead of iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.